Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this Python programming series of video shorts, we are going to see one of the interesting topic, that is decorator in Python. So what is decorator in Python, guys? So basically it's a function that takes another function as an input. Okay, so that adds some extra functionality without changing its code. So decorator, by the name, it's clear that something we are talking about kind of decoration, or like we are going to just add some extra functionality, right? So it's a function basically which is going to just add some extra functionality. It is going to take a function as an input parameter. Okay, whatever the function you want to just decorate, you can just pass out as a parameter, and it will just add the functionality, and it won't affect the actual functionality of the program, or I mean the function, right, what you have written. So you can just think of it like you are just going to put an extra wrapper within your gift wrapper. Okay, so let me just take you towards the Visual Studio Code. We are going to just have here a function. um, let's just do one thing. I'm going to create a decorator function with the name as my decorator. Okay, so this is just a function which is going to take a input. Let me just tell you that it is going to take a function parameter, that is func. Now we are going to just get a def function, which is a wrapper function, just to add the extra functionality over here when the actual program would, I mean actual function is going to run. So I'm just going to add here before function runs. Okay, so after this we can just call to our actual function, which is nothing but the func, right? And here we are going to just print out that after function runs. So we can just simply return out our wrapper function here, and we can just call out our decorator here. And what would be the actual function? Say hello. This is my actual function. It is going to print simply hi for me, and I'll just call out my say hello function. If you will just run the program, let's just check the error here. So guys, nothing was the issue. I have just saved out the program. Now I have run it successfully. It's running. So we have created out a function decorator here, inside which we have passed out the function parameter, nothing but say hello function. Okay, it's going to just print out hi. So for just decorating it, we have, like, we are giving here wrapper function, which is going to just print out before function runs. Okay, we are calling out at the rate my decorator here, in case to make compiler understand that we are just going to just call the my decorator function. Okay, we have just given the say hello function here as a parameter. Okay, once it will just enter, it will just print out for us. Now the actual function just we just got, that is nothing but the say hello function. Now the high line just will execute for us, and then further in terms of execution, next line will run, that is after function runs, right? And this is how you can just perform the decorator simply, right? I hope you guys understood the concept of decorator. Thank you so much.